Hey, so if you're getting a Dropbox access denied error on Windows, yeah, like you can't open files, can't save changes, or it says permission denied, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, right-click the file or folder and check permissions. I mean, your account might not have full access to that file. Next, yeah, check if the file is in use or locked by another app. Sometimes Word or Excel keeps it open in the background. Now, restart Dropbox from the system tray. This refreshes file permissions and sync access. Yeah, try signing out of Dropbox and signing back in. This resets your account authentication and fixes permission glitches. Now, run Dropbox as administrator. This gives it full access to system files and folders. Also, yeah, make sure the Dropbox folder itself has proper permissions in Windows security settings. Sometimes antivirus or security tools block file access. Try disabling them temporarily to test. Yeah, this one works surprisingly often. Move the file out of Dropbox, then move it back in to reset permissions. If nothing works, reinstall Dropbox. This fixes corrupted permission or sync issues causing access denied errors. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox access denied errors on Windows. Most of the time it's permissions, file locks, or sync issues. Try these steps and it should work again. Thanks for watching. Hey,